Welcome to MDFU, Man the F Up University, where we give you all the tools to be the best man you can be. All you have to do is man the F up. We support a person right to dress and wear what they want, and under no circumstance should a person be treated differently for the way they dress. That is why our quote for today comes from Aristotle, who was an ancient Greek philosopher and polymath. His writings cover a broad range of subjects spanning the natural sciences, philosophy, linguistics, economics, politics, psychology, and the arts. Aristotle lived 384 to 322 BC. His quote is, "The aim of art is to represent not the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance." Now, for those who want to up your swag, we're talking about the essentials of a grown man's fashion and style. Whether you're just starting to refine your wardrobe or looking for fresh ideas, this video is going to show how to get your grown man swag together. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the importance of fit. The fit of your clothes can make or break your look. Make sure your clothes fit well, not too tight or too loose. Well-fitted clothes enhance your body shape and give a polished appearance. Consider getting your clothes tailored for the best fit, if you can afford it. Next, focus on building a versatile wardrobe. Every grown man should have at least 1 or 2 suits in his closet, a black or navy blue and a gray suit. Then start with adding essential pieces that can be mixed and matched. Key items include a white, black, and a light blue dress shirt, a well-fitted blazer, a pair of dress slacks, black, navy, gray, and beige, a few good-fitting jeans, chinos, or cargo, and a classic pair of dress shoes, black, brown, or tan. These basics form the foundation of a versatile wardrobe. Let's talk about choosing the right colors. Ultimately, we all have different personalities, and you should wear whatever colors make you feel good, as long as it is not offensive. I shouldn't have to tell you why, but because we are men and we are here to leave it better than we found it. For most occasions, neutral colors like black, white, navy, and gray are versatile and easy to mix and match. Add a pop of color with accessories or statement pieces. Understand your skin tone to choose colors that complement your complexion. Accessorizing can elevate your style. Accessories like watches, belts, sunglasses, and ties add personality to your outfit. Choose quality accessories that match your style. Remember, less is often more. Don't overdo it. Grooming and personal hygiene are crucial for a polished look. Maintain a regular grooming routine. Keep your hair groomed, facial hair groomed, and nails clean. Good hygiene and grooming show you take pride in your appearance and make a great impression. Don't underestimate the power of good footwear. Invest in quality shoes that suit different occasions. A classic pair of dress shoes, black, brown, or tan, a good pair of sneakers, white or black, and loafers or boots are great additions to any wardrobe. Clean and maintain your shoes to keep them looking sharp. Layering adds depth and versatility to your outfits. Experiment with layering by combining different pieces. A t-shirt under a shirt or a sweater under a jacket adds dimension to your look. Layering also allows you to adapt to changing weather and occasions. Understand and respect dress codes. There is always some poor idiot who is the comic relief at the event, and everyone keep whispering, "Where did he get that clown outfit and who the hell dressed him?" Well, we're not going to let you do it to yourself. Respect the code. Know the difference between casual, business casual, and formal dress codes. Ask what the dress code is before heading out. Dress appropriately for the occasion to show respect and confidence. Adapting your style to different settings demonstrates versatility and awareness. A man of culture and a man who is well-rounded and ready to lead. Stay updated with fashion trends, but don't follow them blindly. Trends come and go, but personal style is timeless. Stay informed about current trends and incorporate elements that suit your style. Balance trendy pieces with classic staples for a modern yet timeless look. Now that's our quick journey into fashion and style tips for men. Remember, the key is to focus on fit, build a versatile wardrobe, and pay attention to grooming and accessories. From MDFU University, we hope this video was helpful. And if you did find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share with a friend, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future videos. And until next time, remember to man the F up.